Welcome back to Phonics. Wow, we have so many letters and sounds that we have discovered so far, and it's time to do another. So today we are talking about the sound y, y, y. Can you make that sound with me? Y, y, y. Very good. So now I wonder, do you know what letter makes the sound y, y? Like in the word yellow or yak or yes, I know what sound that is. Good guess. Some of you got it, some of you were close. Let's check out what letter makes the sound y. Here it is, Team V, the letter Y. It makes the y sound, like in yellow. Wow, I knew some of you would get this. Let's take a look at some of the other words with the y sound. This little guy is young. And this is some yarn. This is something called yeast. It's used to make breads and pizzas. Yummy. Whoa, what is this bendy man doing? Oh, there it is. He's doing yoga. I know you friends can do yoga because I've seen you do it before. Let's check out what else we have. Here is a yo-yo. And this boy is saying something very loud. He's yelling, yell. Oh, this little guy is sleepy. He's yawning. And how many years old is this person? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 years old. How old are you? Cool. Oh, look at this. Something is good to eat. Yum, yum. And here's another food called yogurt. Yogurt is very healthy. This is a food too, but we usually cook it. It's inside an egg called the egg yolk. And these two are friends, just me and you. Let's look over here at these barnyard animals. Those are some farm animals, and sometimes we call them barnyard animals. Uh-oh. Yuck. I don't think that's good to eat. And this boat is called a yacht. So friends, looks like the only way to make the y sound is with the letter Y. Man, I love it when it's simple and easy like that. Not so confusing like some other sounds. Thank you so much for joining me today to learn about the sound y and that it's made by the letter Y. The letter Y makes some other sounds too, but no other letters make the y sound. All right, friends, let's do our handshake. Up, down, wiggle, wiggle, pop. Love you guys. Bye.